So today in English class, we are going to start our new lesson. Today the date is 16 and day is Sunday, and we are in week 7 of our semester 2. So kindly open your learner's book, page number 74 and 75. Inshallah, we are going to cover today lesson number 6, choose a project. So in this lesson, basically, we are going to review our unit 5. All those lessons that we have studied in unit 5, we are going to revise them in today's class. So the page number is 74 of your English learner's book, and we are going to review our unit 5 in lesson 6. And we are going to discuss the topics that we have learned. Review of lessons. Look what I can do. Means after you have studied this unit, what you can do, you can count and read numbers to 100. I can measure and say how long something is. I can recognize words that sounds the same, like one, and two, homophones. I can say and write what I did this morning. What I did this morning. You can also say, and you can read, discuss, and act out a story. So first of all, in this lesson, what we have studied how to write numbers in words, how to write numbers in words like 10, we can write it T-E-N, 10, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, and till 100. Here we are counting in tens. We are just writing the numbers that are decades. In math, you have studied what are the decade numbers: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And in the next lesson, we have studied how to say our time and how to ask what time is. Okay, so we have asked a question, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time it is? It's 11 o'clock. What time it is? It's 6 o'clock. What time it is? It's 9 o'clock. What time it is? It's 4 o'clock. After that, we have understood that how people used to measure long ago with the help of their finger, hand, and arm. They learn how to measure different things. And how did people measure long ago? They used to count the footsteps for the longer things. Nowadays, we measure things in centimeters and meters. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. This line is 1 centimeter long. So centimeters are small and meters are big. So 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Measure in. So what do we use to measure your school hall? Yes, boys, you can participate also in the chat section. What do we use to measure the school hall? Centimeter or meters? The school hall is big, so we use meters. What do we use? Meters. So you will circle meters. If you have already finished, you can just keep it in your mind. A leaf. A leaf is small, so we measure it with the help of centimeters. What about fence, boys? Yes, fence. For fence, what do we use? For fence, we use meters because fence is also big. So boys, it's easy. You can keep it in your mind. You can say if the things are big, you will measure them in meters, whereas those things which are little or small, you will measure them in centimeters. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Okay, let's move on to the next, what we have studied in this lesson. Okay, homophones. Those words that sounds the same but have different spellings and meanings. What are homophones, boys? Those words that sounds the same and have different spellings. One, one, two, and two. Eat, at. These all are homophones. Those words which have same sounds but different spellings and meanings. Okay, such words are called homophones. Okay, then we have discussed Marina's breakfast. This morning, Marina was hungry. This was her breakfast. So in this, we have studied that those things which we can count, we are going to write them in numbers, and those things which we cannot count, we use sum. We can count grapes and eggs, so we say some grapes, 2 eggs. We can't count bread, juice, or milk, so we say some bread, some juice, some milk, not some milks. We cannot say milks, okay? We can say some milk. At breakfast this morning, what did Marina eat? What did Marina drink? So in breakfast in the morning, Marina take 2 eggs and some eggs, 2 eggs and some grapes with some milk and some orange juice. Understand, boys? So those things which we cannot count, we are going to say some, and those things that we are going to count, we are going to use them, write with them the numbers. Okay, when someone asks you, what did you bought? You can say some juice and 6 carrots, or you can say some milk and 4 bananas. Okay, understood? Here are some words that we are going to put them in simple past using verbs. What are these? Verbs, boys. These are called verbs, and we are going to put these verbs in the past. Drink, drank, see, saw, eat, ate, say, said. I told you people that there are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Those words which are regular, we write, we add ed in the end, and they are automatically converted in past simple. But those verbs in which we change words are called irregular verbs. Here on your screen, you can see irregular verbs. Why they are irregular verbs? Because we are changing the spellings. If the spellings are changed, we will say these are irregular verbs. If the spelling remains the same, we will say these are regular verbs. Here are some more examples of irregular verbs. Say, said, make, made, go, went, eat, ate, take, took, see, saw, get, got, give, gave, come, came, find, found, run, ran. So boys, this was your quick review of Unit 5. I hope you people enjoyed today's lesson and understood. Thank you for your participation.